They see her, and they come running down from top of the hill to check her out. They love her. She's suspicious of them. Come on, babies. Super curious. She's afraid of him. She's anxious. Hey, horses. Look at that draft horse. He's got a tattoo on him. Little baby draft horses. That's probably mom right there. She's curious about this thing. About the doggy. Hi, beautiful. Hi, beautiful. So I remember you last time. You're a sweet mama. You're a sweet mama. Hi, baby. How come you're black and your mama's white? How'd you do that? Why'd you do that? Why'd you be so tricky? Being rude for mom. Look at that. Mom's not going for it. She said, I'm not getting out your way. Come on. Hey, mama. Hi, mama. Hi, mama. Is that your little one? Is that your little one? She's the star of the show. Otherwise, these horses wouldn't be here. This white one's friendly. She's come over before. These flies are so gross. Hi, sweetie. Hi, sweet baby. Mm.
I've been to Mount.
Hi, mama. Hi, mama. Hi, baby. Hi, mama. Clean your eyes out. Mama. Oh, baby. Careful. Careful. What you think, girl? What? What you think? You're gonna be big. You're gonna be big like your mom. You know that? Clean your eyes out, these fucking flies. Bullshit. Mommy's checking her out. 5 Abellas can fit in this one horse's head. Oh, baby. Hi, baby. You cutie. You cute baby. Careful. Careful. Your baby got close to the barbed wire, Mom. That's all. That's all it was. I don't want her up here. Make me nervous. Make me nervous when your baby's eyes near the barbed wire. Look at that hunk of meat. It's probably 1,500 pounds. 1,500 pound animal. Draft horse. See the big knees, big feet. That's probably a standard bred right there. These two are probably her kids. For some reason, the one on the left looks smaller, so maybe just one of them's hers. That white one over there, yeah, that's what it is. These black ones are kids of this white one and that white one. I've seen them feed before. This is at an Amish farm, so these are Amish horses. The size of them hooves on this thing. see that little one's going under this one here. So the one behind this one, that belongs to this big one right here, the little one. This one here belongs to that white one back there. Mama, how many horses, baby horses, did you ever have? How many did you have? How many did you have? See, she's a little bit protective of her baby. Pushing that one out. Shaking her head a little. See, that's Percheron. See that tail? Baby's born with a small tail. Mommy's got a small tail. It's a Percheron. They bred them like that so the tail didn't get all caught up in the equipment when they put the harnesses on them. Hi, princess. Hi, princess. Come on. You come say hi. You come say hi. It's okay. Hi. It's okay. Shy. These are shy. It's okay. So much like dogs. They want to smell. They get comfortable through the smelling a lot of times. It takes them a while. I don't see a clear leader here. Ooh. Throw them flies around your face. Throw them flies. There they go. They lost interest. See the little one there? She's right behind her mom. These ones are getting a little bit shy. One's got a stick in his mouth. And that's it. They got bored. They got bored and she's still not interested. She's playing hard to get. She's afraid of him. Come on up here. You come here. You come here. Bye, horses.